Yeah!
Oh. Made me lose my damn pole.
Yes! Was that scary?
Hello YouTube and welcome back to the vlog. It just snowed yesterday, literally last night, probably 16 hours ago, and it all already melted. It's 50 degrees out. Ohio weather, bipolar weather, we're out here. Alright, so for the agenda, I am walking to my car right now. I gotta go pick up my girlfriend. I gotta wash this. It's disgusting looking. Oh my gosh. This is one bad thing about Ohio, is just look at all of this salt. It is disgusting. Makes your car look like crap. Sometimes I don't understand how my car doesn't run out of battery. I left my subs on last night, and they've been on for over 12 hours now, and it was 30 degrees out last night, so you would think that my battery would have went down a lot, but it still started. Alright, so I just finished washing my car. I'm gonna pull out, dry it off real quick, because I don't like leaving the water on it. It leaves spots, and then I'm heading over to my girlfriend's house. Alright, so I'm here at my girlfriend's, and here's Braxton. We got our polar poppies.
I'm really sick and I can't ride today.
So, looks like we probably won't be going to the skate park
No,
today.
actually, I ain't sick.
Psych! Update, everybody. Braxton's actually Patrick Star. Yes!
Look at my purple pants, bro!
Purple pants!
So, guys, guess what? Got some good news.
I
got a new Kia Soul.
Brand new!
Peep it!
Peep it! Oh!
This steed right here.
Oh! Yeah. And look in the background,
Woo!
my brand new Kia Forte. Oh yeah! Alright.
Oh, there's my sexy girlfriend. Hey, babe. Oh, sorry. I got distracted.
Oh, you missed!
Hey! This is the guy defending me, alright? And I'm LeBron James right now.
Get it, Jess! Yeah!
Bye! Bye! You're not gonna say bye?
I don't want my girlfriend to leave. Babe.
Alright, don't let him leave. We don't want him to leave. Don't let him.
Chill out, babe.
Oh, come on! Wow, he's actually holding on. Come back, Braxton! Wow. It's a beautiful car. Hello! Oh! Alright, so we are in Braxton's new whip. And we're headed to his house to get his car that has our bikes in them, and then we're gonna head to the skate park.
Oh yeah, just so you know, we were just kidding. This is my Aunt Judy's car.
This is Aunt Jude's car.
Shout out to Aunt Jude. Follow her on IG at badassauntjude.com.
Yeah, go follow her. Thanks, Aunt Jude.
My family's struggling, I gotta make all this money for them. I don't pretend everything that I say is some shit that I seen or some shit that I had a show the next day with like 500 people. You know that I jumped in the crowd. I stepped on the stage, everything that I say they repeated, they yelling it loud. Okay, I'm tired of debating, let me in the conversation. I've been running Arizona, boy. And I've been trying not to say it cause you don't deserve attention, but lately I'm getting so.
Alright, so we're out here on the trampoline, and Braxton just hit a double front flip, went flying off the trampoline, and I caught him one-handed, and I swear to God, I just broke my arm. Alright, so this is what it looked like. So just act like I did a double front flip. So he lands his second front flip, and he goes like this. He goes over his second front flip, lands on his knees, and he goes, say this is the edge of the trampoline, he goes, he would have fell off if I didn't catch him. Oh, wow.
Ready?
My arm still hurts.
POV backflip here.
Oh. Yeah, boy! Alright, point of view backflip here. Oh, yes.
Ready? POV. Air flip.
Oh my. Take 2 on the double front flip for Braxton once he gets there. All right, double front flip. Oh! Oh, so close.
Jess is going to jump.
All right, so I'm stuck on the trampoline. I got to get to the porch to get my shoes. What do I do? I don't know. We're going to figure out. This is kind of scary. This is pretty far, yeah. I didn't even have to jump on the trampoline.
Oh. Let's go say hi to Grandma. And then Snood. Hey guys, you're on the vlog. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Nah, Grandma. Say hi.
Hi, Grandma.
You're on the vlog. Say hi.
Hi, Brack.
Aunt Jude with the white whip.
This is their craft building. Alright, so we're gonna explain here who my dogs are. Right now they're licking each other's meat. So
Tay, what you doing?
Tay, get a grip, please. Anyways, this is Clinton. He's just a puppy. He's a good boy. And then this,
It's a big puppy.
over here, is Titan. He's the older one. He's a good boy too. Clintball, he's ornery. They get jealous super fast. Look, Titan's trying to sit on me because he's mad because I'm petting Clinton. But it'll be alright. Clint, Jess,
Ty, is it okay?
that's pretty much it. They're just ornery dogs, lap dogs, they think they are.
Are you a lap doggy?
Go. Go, outside. Ready? I had to put gas into Clintball to get him started up. Beep, 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 beep. Come on, Clint. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
Oh.
Good boy.
What are you doing?
Up.
Oh.
You can't lick me on the face. Hey, you can't lick me on the face. Alright, what's up? So we're here with Jess. We're gonna try to attempt to scare my mom and my little brother. We don't know how this is gonna go. Prank wars. But here's Jess
Driving.
driving, as usual. We're in the badass car. Here we go. Stay tuned.
All right, so we're currently hiding in the woods. We got a lake behind us. It's very beautiful out today. And there's Braxton waiting for his mom to come around so we can scare him. Stay down behind this like big hill so they can't see you.
You guys fail.
So this is how awkward we're sitting right now. We're thinking that it might be a fail because I think they might have saw us when they were walking across the bridge. But we're just gonna wait and see what happens. I can hear them. They're getting closer. This is gonna be so funny if we get them.
Yeah! We got him!
Oh, made me lose my damn pole.
Yes!
Was that scary?
Almost made me lose my pole.
Oh my God. He just kicked my butt.
Yes.